step, you want to search for Riot Games Launcher, or you can just search for Valorant. Alright, I like to search for Riot Game Launcher because Riot Game is the thing which you need in order to play Valorant. Alright, so search for Riot Game Launcher and click on Riot Games. It's going to take you to the official website. Over here, you need to log in into your account. Alright, so if you log in into your account, then you can click on where it says Riot Games over here, and you can choose which game you want. So I want to play Valorant, so I'm going to choose Valorant. So it's going to take me to Valorant page. Over here, I'm going to click on Play Free and click on over here where it says I have a Riot account, sign in. So I'm going to log in into my Riot account over here. So after you log in into a Riot account, it's going to bring you over here. Click on where it says download, and a Riot Game Launcher will start to install. Now once it installs, you need to install it on your PC. Alright, so wait for some time until it finishes downloading. So my Riot Game Launcher just downloaded over here. As you guys can see, it's over here. So what I can do is click on install valorant.exe. Now the Valorant launcher should install right now. So I'm going to choose advanced option, and I'm going to choose the place where I want to install this. So I'm going to choose the folder over here. So I'm going to install it over here where it says Valorant. So I'm going to choose the folder, click on install, and the Riot Game Launcher will start to install. Alright, and after it installed, basically Valorant will start to install, because Valorant is a 30 GB game. So of course you cannot download it within 5 or 6 minutes. So once you see Valorant over here, it's automatically going to open, or you can click on it to open. As you guys can see in the background, it's downloading, and if you want to play the game, after it downloads, you can enter your username, password of your Riot Games account, and click on this arrow over here, and you should be able to log in into your Riot Games account and play Valorant. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can download Valorant.